Hi everyone, again this is Ricky and allow me to share and print the cycle count report by brand, this one. So let's go and click this go button to continue and click OK to proceed. So let's wait until the printing in progress is completed, this one. So the system is done and this is the report for cycle count by brand. See on your screen. So cycle count by brand, this one. So thank you everyone, and I hope you learned something new.